We're a couple of miles down the road, and this guy's walking, and he starts waving his arms, and we're like, and then we see something black on the side of the road. We're like, oh, his dog got out. It wasn't a dog. It was a day-old black bull calf.
Carpenter, Carpenter, won't you build yourself?
Hey friends, so it is the 5th of January. We're 5 days into 2020.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, yes. And we are on our way to Georgia with the fifth wheel because we managed to sell it on Facebook, which was super awesome.
Yep.
So after, 2 weeks total? We've managed to source a new trailer, drive to Cleveland, drive back to North Carolina, move everything over, get settled in that trailer, clean up this trailer a little bit, and find a buyer for it. So it worked out great. They drove up from Georgia a couple of days ago, looked at it, we negotiated a price and everything, and then they wanted to pay us more to drive it down. So we're like, sure, we'll take your money. So that's what we're doing right now. We're driving to northeast Georgia, just over the South Carolina line, and we're going to drop it off at a lake property for some folks to use as a little weekend cabin. They're totally aware of the issues with it, and he's more than happy to handyman fix it, which is awesome.
Yep. And they're going to put it underneath cover anyway.
Yep.
So the leak wasn't a problem to fix where the leak's coming from. So they're going to put it under cover, probably get a carport or something like that.
Yep.
And
bum around in it for 5 years till they build a house.
okay, yeah, go slow. There we go. I about got it, didn't I? You're doing great. It's all on film. Brilliant. Great. Not sure how you're getting it out.
We're never getting to pieces. We're good. Got it. Well, friends, we did it. We sold the fifth wheel. We delivered it to Georgia, dropped it off, parked it in the woods, and it was quite the adventure. Involved a chainsaw and some 4-low in the transfer case. But we are free of that. We get to move on. We were very blessed. We were able to sell it for what we got our asking price and then some. They were kind enough, new owners were kind enough to pay us a little extra for delivering it, which was nice. It was serendipitous. It was unsought after gain. So it was nice, and we're free. So now we can sell the fifth wheel hitch off the back of this truck install a couple of toolboxes we bought at Home Depot, we can get about our business of traveling the United States. And I think we're gonna head to the Southwest, finish out the rest of winter and early spring in the Southwest, and see what we can do. We dropped the fifth wheel off in northeast Georgia, and we were only about 45 minutes from the Big Bear homestead. So I thought to myself, you know what, self? I'm so selfless. I'll just bless Jason and Robin with a visit. So that's what we're doing. We're on our way to the Big Bear homestead. We're going to drop in, probably spend the afternoon with them, hang out a little bit, and let the kids play with Ladessa and Carol. So that's where we're going.
We brought them some teepee. If you don't know about their plans for 2020, they are completely living off their land, which there's no toilet paper tree.
Nope.
You get toilet paper from trees, but they're not making toilet paper. So, as a kind of a joke, we're bringing a Costco package of toilet paper for them, and trade them some pork.
It'll be fun. So it's 5:20. We left Big Bear Homestead about 5 o'clock. We're a couple of miles down the road, and this guy's walking, and he starts waving his arms. And we're like, and then we see something black on the side of the road. We're like, oh, his dog got out. It wasn't a dog. It was a day-old black bull calf. So Katie drives up ahead. I jump out the side because I'm in the passenger seat, and I get in front of this thing and manage to get in front of it enough that he can't go anywhere. Fortunately, it's only a day old. So I get over his back, grab his feet, pull his feet out from under him, drop him on his side, and I'm holding his 4 feet. Katie pulls the truck over. She comes over, hooks the foot, and the owner comes running up to us, and he's like, oh, are you serious? This is unbelievable. He's like, what are you people, who are you? You know, oh, we're just passing through. And so he was excited. I guess I'm now a cow wrestler.
From Oregon.
From Oregon. Wrestler, not rustler. Those are two different things. So we had a little 15-20 minute detour where we stopped and helped a guy wrestle his day-old calf on the side of the road. We hobbled it, tied its feet up, tossed it up on the bed, and drove it home down the road. And now I'm sitting in cow pee because he peed on the bed of the truck. So there's that. We may just fit in when we stop at the Waffle House for dinner. Who knows?